Okay, Nicole and Sam, this is it. We are at Rio Rancho Estates, and this is the Lark model. The floor plan is the Lark. This is the one that can get to that price of $337,990. Okay, I'm gonna run through here real quick. It's 18443 West Artemisa Avenue. Okay, Happy Valley is this way, right behind us. This is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the square footage is, dang it, 1703. Here's that nice large tile. Bedroom, upgraded doors. Second bedroom, I like the paint too. Full bathroom. So 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom in the front. We've got a large laundry room. Large laundry room. Oh, this is nice. Very nice size kitchen into living space and a really large pantry. Beautiful. Double sink, undermount sink, stainless, window coverings, large slider, finished backyard. I like that. Wow, I love it. Finished backyard, guys. You have your kitchen table right there, or a dining table. Nice size room, living room. Here's a master bedroom with dual closets, a toilet room, and a huge closet. All right. I'm gonna send this to you, and it's got a shower. So one has a tub and one has the shower.